Okay, so I want to review with you how to take a whole number and break it up or divide it by a fraction. This symbol is a division symbol, but we can also call it breaking it up into parts. So if we have four wholes and we break them up into 1/2 size parts, you would break up each of those whole, divide it by half, and you'd end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. So 4 divided by 1/2 is 8. 8 times 1/2 would be 4 if you go the opposite way. All right, so let's look at 4 and we break it up into 1/4 size pieces. I'm just going to do one now just to save some time. So I take this one whole and I'm breaking it up into 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, 1/4 size. So we get 4. And then I can take the 4 wholes and multiply it by those 4 pieces, and I would get 16. And 16 times 1/4 would end up being 4. Moving on to the next one, 4 broken up into 1/6 size pieces. So I'm going to divide it into thirds, and then I'll cut that in half. Oops, messed up a little bit. Cut that in half, and I'll end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. So 4 groups of the 6 pieces is going to end up being 24 pieces. So 4 divided by 1/6 is 24, or 24 times 1/6 is going to be 4, if you look the other way. All right, so 4 broken up into 1/8 size pieces. I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to cut it in fourths, and then I'll cut that in half to make it eighths. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces in one whole if we break it up into 1/8 size pieces, but we have 4 wholes. So we're going to multiply that by the 8 pieces, and that will give us 32. So 4 broken up into 1/8 size pieces equals 32 pieces. If you have 32 pieces and you multiply it by 1/8, you would get 4. Looking at the next one. 7 broken up into 1/3 size pieces. So I'm going to take one whole and break it up into thirds, and I would get 3 pieces. If you have 7 of those wholes and you multiply it by 3 pieces for each whole, that would end up with 21 total pieces. And this one I'm going to take 8 and break it up into 1/4 size pieces. So let's break it up into fourths. So that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. And we have 8 groups of that 4. So it'd be 8 times 4 is 32 again. All right, so I hope that helps you out some. If not, email me and let me know, and I can help you out. Thanks, guys.